My favorite passing when I was competing, and it still is nowadays as well, but when I was competing, I had a very simple game. Like if I was on bar, I would play half-guard, the one I call like either the single leg half-guard or the deep half-guard. And when I was on top, I would play the over-under pass. That was pretty much it. So this was like 90% of the times, every match, I was on bar, I was playing half-guard, I was on top, I was playing over-under pass. And I love it, the over-under, because it's very simple, very different than the leg drags. That's kind of like, sometimes you need to be athletic, you need to be fast, quick, and that. The over-under is a slow motion pass. It's very slow, and it's almost like, I would rather pass his guard in 4 minutes than in 30 seconds. You know, like as much time as it takes, better it is for the passer, okay? And I'm always on my knees, which makes it even more simple as well. And but anyway, so now let's just try to start understanding the mechanic of the over-under here. So very first thing to understand is that I should be over his leg and under his leg. That's why it's called over-under. And I always joke that very important to understand that the over-under is over and under. Don't confuse this with this, because I think, as you guys know, this is called triangle. Yeah. So this is a very important distinction. And so I should be over his leg and under his leg with his foot between my legs. Okay? So now we're going to do the warm-up thing. And now the warm-up thing is going to make even more sense. Because, for example, if I'm like just like this with my both legs open, it's extremely easy for him to switch his feet a little bit and go to the triangle. When I do the warm-up thing, I become way heavier for him, and there's also no triangle. Because when I do that, try to go to the triangle, brother.
No way.
He can't move his leg anymore. So my leg locks his leg, and my shoulder becomes way heavier. So two values here. Okay? Guys, my battle now is to stretch his leg down. His leg is on my way, which is not good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drive a little bit to the side, just a little bit, like this. And now I can stretch his leg down. Okay? Once I do that, I don't want to be greedy and pass his guard. I want to come back to the middle. Because over here it's very hard for him to hip escape, and I have full control of his hip. And this is like a hippie type of pass. Okay? And then once I'm over here, all I have to do is keep his leg over and pass, and I'm on his side.